We guide you through how to enable NDI on Microsoft Teams quickly. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Microsoft Teams on your desktop and make sure you are using the latest version. Then click on the three dots next to your profile and go to the settings. Inside the settings, head to the app permissions or general section and ensure that allow NDI usage is turned on. Next, join or start a meeting, then click the three dots in the meeting controls and select more actions. After that, click broadcast over NDI. If you don't see it, go back and check the NDI is enabled in Teams settings and that your organization allows it. Once activated, Teams will start sending video and audio feeds over NDI, which you can now capture using software like OBS or Streamlabs by adding an NDI source. Make sure your firewall allows NDI traffic for smooth performance and test your audio and video sync before going live.